Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're continuing to talk about adverbs. Today we're going to talk about the adverbs of place, here, there, upward, and northward. So in which directions are these objects, people, and animals moving? And can you make a sentence about each image? So many adverbs of place in English express movement in a direction. So match each sentence to an image. The crab moves sideways across the sand, so that would be picture A. Joe is driving homeward, picture D. The hot balloon is going upward, picture B. And the birds are moving southward for the winter, picture C. Now, adverbs of place explain where something happens, or they answer the question where. The cat is outside, Kathy moved overseas, and I can't find my keys anywhere. So an adverb of place can tell us the location of where the action of the verb happens. Now, many adverbs of place end in wards, W-A-R-D-S, and indicate movement in a particular direction. So he fell backward, they sailed northward, it floated upward. Now there are a number of adverbs in English that end in either ward or wards, and these normally describe moving in a particular direction. So forward, backward, upward, downward, northward, southward, homeward. So the ship moved southwards, and the birds flew southward. He looked upwards, the balloon floated upward. He fell backwards, she looked backward. So the meaning is the same whether you add the S or not. The usage depends really on where you are, in whatever region you are, either in the United States or other English-speaking countries. You'll just have to figure out what is most commonly said in those areas, but both are correct. Here and there are also adverbs of place. They show the position of something in relation to the speaker. So it's here, it's there, it's over there. So you do not need a preposition with here, there, or over there. So please bring that book here, but you do not need to say, please bring that book to here. I moved there last week, but you would not say I moved to there last week. We often use here and there with the verbs bring and take. Here can also mean to go towards or with the speaker. So please come here. John is moving here next week. Put your shoes here, please. Come here. A hug will make you feel better. There can mean away from or without the speaker. Place the dirty clothing there. I don't want to go there. Katie is standing over there. And go over there, please. Alright, so now you're going to complete these sentences with either here or there. And so be sure that you read the information in parentheses to help you answer it correctly. So the food has arrived where we are. So we would say the food is here. Place it away from me would be, can you put it over there? Leave your shoes at the place we are right now. You can leave your shoes here. I can see her in a place away from where I am. I can see her over there. And then come towards me, come over here, and look at what I found. Now here and there can be combined with prepositions to make an adverbial phrase, so match each sentence to its image. It's beautiful down here would go with picture C. He's walking over there, picture B. What are you doing up there? Picture A. And it's dirty around here. Picture D. So here and there can be found at the beginning of a sentence in exclamations. Here and there are followed by a verb if the subject is a noun. So here comes the train, there goes the plane. So what is the subject of each exclamation? Well, here and there. And here and there are followed by a pronoun if the subject is a pronoun. So, oh, here they are. Yes, here it is. So here the subject, I'm sorry, I think I said here and there were the subjects. Actually, the train and the plane are the subjects here. So the subject is a noun, so that's why we can follow here and there with the verb. And then by a pronoun, here they and it are pronouns. And when and why would someone use exclamations like these? Well, probably when they were looking for something and then found it unexpectedly. Now, some adverbs of place can express both movement and location at the same time. So the children came inside for dinner. The water flowed downhill. They walked sideways to fit in the small place. Toward or towards is not an adverb. It is a preposition which always takes an object. So he moved toward me. You can't just say he moved toward. Toward is a preposition, so it always has to move toward something. The birds flew northward. I fell backward. And she rolled downward. So these are all adverbs because they tell the action or the location and direction of the verb. All right, see if you can make your own sentences using the adverbs provided or other adverbs if you want to. So you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. All right, now can you use the words in the boxes to complete the sentences? Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So many birds in Europe move southward in winter to spend time in a warmer climate. If you fly from London to New York, you travel westward. The rain moved. I'm thinking, I'm trying to think of my geography here. We'll skip down to this one. The cyclone went from the north of Australia to Fiji in the Pacific Ocean. I'm sorry, I do not know my geography very well. So number 8 would be northward. And number 9 is eastward. All right, Deborah slipped on the icy ground and fell maybe backward, hurting her back. After reaching the top of the mountain, we move slowly downward to return to the hotel. Edward and Sylvia are coming here now, after which we are going to lunch together. And you're parked very close to that other car, so you need to reverse before you can move forward. So moving round and round. So sometimes things move in a circular direction. So to tighten the screw, you need to turn the screw clockwise. And to remove the lid, turn it counterclockwise. And in British English, anti-clockwise may be used, not counterclockwise. All right, so now try to answer each question about the image and use the adverbs provided. You can also use another adverb if you prefer. So in which direction are they floating? In which direction are the bubbles moving? To go to the North Pole, in which direction are they traveling? And in which direction is he moving? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.